Mai Dubai, a regional leading bottled drinking water supplier, is a fully owned subsidiary of the Dubai Electricity and Water Authority, DEWA, and is committed to promoting the importance of healthy hydration and raising awareness about adopting healthy drinking habits, staying active and fit. The company have installed Atlas Copco's oil-free hybrid compressed air solution, which is a proven green solution for food and beverage industry, especially PET bottle application.
Mai Dubai has become a household brand in the UAE over the last 8 years. You might know us from our 5-gallon bottles, the PET bottles, the cups, or even our alkaline water or the glass sparkling water. Right from inception, Mai Dubai has been working with partners and to be smart about energy and energy conservation. We have a rooftop solar panels that supply the entire plant with electricity, and on top of that, we select our partners to become successful in the market. Atlas Copco has been one of those partners that was there right from inception. And up to today, they help us have smart compressors in our plants and have good energy savings wherever possible.
Mai Dubai has the fastest PET line in the region powered by solar energy. They use oil-free, high-pressure compressed air to blow preforms to different sizes of bottles. Atlas Copco provide a unique turnkey solution and approach to Mai Dubai by offering ZD Extend system for low pressure and high pressure requirement, as well as complete piping job.
The oil-free high-pressure compressor package ZD Extend consists of the first 2 compression stages are the proven undisputed market leader ZR oil-free rotary screw compressor to generate 10 bar gauge air, which is ISO 22000 and Class 0 certified, followed by a 2-stage reciprocating oil-free D booster. The ZR compressor is equipped with heat of compression MD absorption dryer to cater to the plant requirement of 10 bar air, in addition to feeding the D piston booster with dry air at -20°C pressure dew point to further compress up to 40 bar for the bottle blowing PET application.
Atlas Copco's ZD hybrid solution is innovative and proven technology running over years in Mai Dubai that complements our commitment to high quality and reliability. This is the second ZD Extend package from Atlas Copco installed in Mai Dubai after running the first unit successfully for over 7 years. With ZD Extend solution, we were able to address the medium as well as the high pressure compressed air requirement of the plant using the same compressor.
ZD Extend is delivering the highest energy efficiency with 4-stage compression proven in Mai Dubai compared to the 3-stage piston technology. Having ZD VSD equipped with variable speed drive on board provides wide range of turndown to cater to different flow profiles for medium pressure and high pressure requirements for different bottle sizes, achieving on average 35% energy savings. Reliability is a must for PET. Feeding the piston booster with dry oil-free air will result in lower interstage temperatures, piston speeds and pressure ratios across the stages, meaning longer service intervals. The solid package of DX Booster gives the customer flexibility of installation, where the customer can shift out the high-pressure booster nearby the production lines, shortening the high-pressure air pipe lines and reducing the pressure drop and total cost of ownership of the plant. Also, lower vibration levels are maintained with no need for special foundation.
Also, ZD is equipped with a Smart Link. Smart Link is a valuable feature in all Atlas Copco machines, allowing for 24/7 remote monitoring, analysis of data, and receiving of advanced notification for preventive maintenance, and thereby benefiting with the maximum machine uptime for your production.